We can handle all online courses, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, My IT Lab Guides. In today's session, we are tackling Chapter 2 of recently launched Excel 2022 course focusing on cumulative assessment Island Jewelers. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exams, or complete course. Don't hesitate to connect for support in various courses. Let's start this assignment and solve step by step. Title of assignment is XP22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Island Jewelers. You can see project description here to get idea about your assignments. Now let's move to the first step of assignment. First step is about start Excel. Download and open the file name XP22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Island Jewelers. You can download this file from your IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded open this file, so move to the next step, that is step number 2. Step number 2 is about insert a function in cell B2 to display the current date from your system. Go to the Excel worksheet. We have to enter a function in cell B2 that display our current date of our system. In Excel worksheet in cell B2, we have to enter a function that display current date. So we will enter the function of today. Press enter. It will display the current date from our system. Step 1 is completed. Now move to the next step, that is step number 3. Step 3 is about with cell B2 selected, set the width of the column B to auto fit. We have to set width of column B to auto fit. So move to the Excel worksheet, select column B, do right click on it. We have to format column width, auto fit column width. Set column B width to auto fit. In home tab, go to the format. In cells group, go to the format and click on the auto fit column width. It will set width of column B by default as auto fit. Insert. Now step number 4 is about insert a VLOOKUP function in cell C5 to display the ring cost for the first student. The cost of the ring type should be an exact match. Use appropriate relative and absolute cell reference. In this step, we have to enter a VLOOKUP function in cell C5 that display the ring cost. Ring cost should be an exact match. Go to the Excel workbook, and in cell C5, we have to enter a formula VLOOKUP function that display the ring cost. For displaying ring cost, we will enter the formula. First, we will enter this cell, that is cell B5. Cell B5. Then we will enter the cell ring type. Ring type is cell A16. Cell A16 to we will enter ring type, all ring types and cost. To cell A16 to B19. We have this data from A16 to B19. B19. We will type here 2 for the cost, and for exact match we have the cost of ring type should be an exact match. We type here false, close brackets and press enter. We calculate the cost here by using this VLOOKUP function for ring type cost. Step number 4 is now completed. It's calculate the cost. Move to the next step, that is step number 5. Step number 5 is fill the function from cell C5 to the range C6 to C11. Function that we have write in cell C5. Fill it from range C6 to C10. Use autofill handle to complete this range from C6 to C10. C6 to C11. Next step is step number 6, that is about apply accounting number format to the range C5 to C11. We have formatting this range C5 to C11 with accounting number format. Select the range C5 to C11. In the Home tab, go to the Numbers group and select Accounting Number Format. Now it's format this data of the cost in accounting number format. Step number 7 is about insert an if function in cell E5 to calculate the total due. If the student has chosen to personalize the ring, there is an additional charge of 5% located in cell B21 that must be added to the cost of the ring. If not, the student only pays the base price. Use appropriate relatives and absolute cell reference. We have to enter an if function in cell E5 that if student chosen personalizing, then additional charges added. Otherwise, we will have to simply calculate it. If not, go to the Excel worksheet in cell E5. We will enter formula that if function use. We use if function, if personalized, yes. If D5 is equal to yes, we will add cost. Simply cost will add. It will multiply this with located in the cell B21. Charges that located in cell B21. Multiply with those charges B21. Then we will write here cost C5. It calculates the total due. We calculate total due by using this formula. If personalized yes, then we will multiply these values. Fill the function. Now step number 8 is fill the function from cell E5 to range E6 to E11. Now we have to copy this formula from range E6 to E11. Use fill handle to copy this formula from E6 to E11. Total steps in this assignment is 15. I have completed 8 steps by completing each and every detail given in the instruction of these steps. For remaining steps of this assignment or any other assignments, exams, quizzes, or entire courses covering Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Finance Management, Information Technology, and more courses, feel free to get in touch. Contact me through provided email or WhatsApp given in description and display on screen and make deal with me. I assure you for achieving an A grade for you in all your courses. Thanks for watching my videos. Please consider subscribing my channel and liking the videos. Thank you.